Yo, it's Shay's word up. This the market master plan. Stop chasing tickers like a bunny, understand? The bottom's buying strategy is how you get the gains. Read the charts and learn to recognize the simple patterns. Shay's patience-based trading. No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find a purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Bbai video. I'm keeping an eye on Bbai right now, watching it very closely. If today closes even a little bit in the green, I think I might add like 300 shares to start. I don't want to add a big position. I'm going to add maybe 300 shares as a starter and then a stop loss at the low of today. So today's low, as you can see, is $3.05. So the risk reward is really good here. So let's zoom in and you can see if I were to buy here and a stop loss here, I would have a 4% stop loss. And it's a starter position, so I would only lose like what? $12. But if this is the temporary bottom, it doesn't have to be the exact bottom, but if it's a temporary bottom and we get a nice bounce here to 360, 350, that's a 15%. So either lose 4% or make 15%. That's a very good risk to reward ratio. Again, it depends entirely on how we look at 2:55 p.m. That's around the time I'm going to be looking at it and seeing how it's been moving, how it closed, how it's about to close, I should say. So, yeah, we've been waiting for this opportunity. Anytime it's come down here to 3s, 2s, it's been a huge moneymaker, right? It's a rinse and repeat of the past. I don't know why people act like crashes don't happen. Like crashes are part of the game, literally. So it's normal. And there's money to be made on the bounces, right? We're gonna go down, but we know things don't go down forever, right? They come down, and then there's a temporary relief. Couple of green days here, right? Couple of green days here. So that's just a pattern that happens. There's going to be pullbacks in the downtrend, in the crash. In a bull run, it's the opposite, right? We pump huge, we pull back, and then we pump again. So that's obviously why people love bull markets, because everything just keeps going up. Any pullback is just it's just the opportunity to position yourself for the next pump. Woo! Everything's so easy. Everything just keeps going up. Woo! Well, you got to have better timing in a bear market. You got to have good timing, and you got to have a stop loss because you don't know how long things are going to go. As far as we know, Bbai could go to $1. We don't know. We've seen stocks get real cheap. I was just talking about what was it, APLD? Yeah, I was just talking about APLD stock and how in the previous bear market, APLD stock went from $33 to a low of 85 cents. And that's how it is, man. Like, do not underestimate how low these bad boys can go. But along the way, there are relief bounces, relief rallies, whatever you want to call them. And those relief green days can lead to 10, 15, 20% return. So that's what we're trying to time. This is why you got to have really good timing, and you better have a stop loss. It's harder to trade a bear market because you got to have, again, not only good timing, but you got to be disciplined and take those small losses. On top of that, you have to be careful with Trump. Trump can tweet overnight and boom, we go down or we go up. Who knows? That's the beauty of the Trump market. One tweet and who knows where we're going to go. So that's another thing, another risk factor really is what it is. Sleepy Joe, at least he wouldn't open his mouth or say anything because he probably doesn't even know how to use Twitter. So with Sleepy Joe on the behind the wheel, we didn't have to worry about the overnight risk of a tweet that could send us up or down. But other than that, nothing has changed. We are looking at a great opportunity down here. Highly recommend, right? This is why I was telling you guys, not at $6. Let it come down because it can drop another 50%. Here we are. We dropped another 50% from $6-7. I remember a lot of you were telling me, oh yeah, I'm going to buy here at 7s, at 6s. And I'm like, well, if you're flipping it, that's fine. But if you're positioning yourself for the big swing back to $10 or $9 for the 50%er, right? From 6 to 9. Or from 5 to 750, because that's what we were doing back then in the bull market. But we're not in the bull market anymore. We got to change up the strategy here. So highly recommend positioning yourself here with a stop, and that's about it. See if we can get that 50% pump. We should get a relief rally, but who knows, right? With everything that's going on, we don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I made a poll in the Discord, and nobody knows. Everyone was 50-50. Like, we're gonna pump, and some people are saying we're gonna dump. Nobody knows. That is the beauty of the markets. Nobody knows anything. So the best thing you can do is, hey, I'll be okay with taking the 4% loss. And if it gets to 15% pump, awesome. Either way, a bear market's about surviving, not blowing up your accounts like those people on Wall Street Bets. All you gotta do is go to Wall Street Bets and you'll see a lot of people blowing up their accounts right now, blowing up their accounts because they're greedy and they want to make lots of money fast by buying SPY puts or SPY calls. And this is not the kind of environment where you want to be gambling. Good luck, because like I said, one tweet and boom, you got destroyed. Or on the other side, you make a lot of money. But that's, if you want to gamble and find out real quick whether you're gonna get rich or not, I mean, go right ahead and buy your calls. But we're here to survive. We're here for a good time and for a long time. So use strategy. Get in there, guys. I might alert the 300 shares right now. I might just do it, honestly. I mean, it doesn't matter. If I buy it here with a stop, if it comes down, it comes down. It is what it is. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm going to add a starting position. That is it for the video, guys. I will wait. Whoa, let me look at the weekly time frame. Oh, yeah, we're at a big support level right now in the monthly. Yeah. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me.